Okay guys, so this right here is my standard loadout. This is the gear that over the years of doing this I have determined is the best way to do it and the most efficient possible, and I'm always trying to make it better. That's why we have things like the upside down digging tool, or the item I was testing Tuesday, the magnetic grabber attachment. Now, Tuesday I found another problem. I was out there picking up trash and there was a piece of debris far enough out that I couldn't get to it. Luckily, in that case, I was close enough to my Jeep that I was able to go and get this is a gravity hook and some 550 cord and retrieve the item. But I'm not always near my Jeep. Sometimes I am miles from it, or my wife drops me off on the beach and I'm 6 or 7 miles till I get to the house. So I needed an option. And it occurred to me, one of the things that's on my belt here, this little green item, is 550 cord. Now, I don't use this a whole lot. This is primarily used on the V10 whenever we go to Pelican Island and we need to strap stuff down. This is the main use for that. I don't do that a bunch, and this very rarely gets used, so I think I have a better option. Now, what I did is I designed this thing. This goes in the same spot right here, just like so. It hangs out of the way, just like the other. Not going to bother me. And when I come across a piece of trash or something that I need to retrieve, then I can easily undo it, pull it off, and inside here, we have the fun stuff. We open the top, we have two magnets. That opens up, and we have our little rods here, and then we basically just pull our string off, fast forward, take this, we just throw that on the ground, and then we screw in our little pins here. With this, you get a grapple hook. Now, it's not as fancy as your, gravity hook, but it's cheap. It's about $2 to make it. The middle of it is filled with BBs, and it gives us enough weight that we can use to throw. So we can take this and wrap our string up. Then you have a good loop on your string like so, and you can take it, swing it out, throw it where you need to go, and retrieve the item. And when you get done with it, it all just goes back into the mount. Back together just like that. Snap it back on the mount on the rear. And we're good to move on.